Hi, so my name is Brianna, and this is my PowerPoint on nonverbal communication. So, from this first picture, um, just off the top, his face is very stern and he looks very serious, like he's no one that you would want to mess with. You can tell that he's well groomed. He has a low haircut. His mustache looks nice and groomed and clean. His clothing tells me that he may be in a position where he earns a little more money. And his badge told me that he has to be someone of authority. Um, I guess the badge kind of explains why he looks so stern and serious. He just he just seems so stiff to me. Like even his body screams stiff. So, so this gentleman, he looks very happy. He looks like he's working and chatting with some other people around him. He looks very relaxed. Like this is something he's been doing for some time now, and he appears to be dressed for a job that he doesn't mind doing. I can tell that he has an axe around him. He just seems content, um, almost like he loves what he do. This picture screams to me a tired mom. Her hand on her lower part of her back signals to me that she's tired and possibly in a little pain. She looks focused on whatever it is she's looking at. That looks like she's probably facing towards the sun, like her eyes are squinting. Um, she To me, she looks like what I probably look like on a normal day. Watching the kids from a distance, making sure they're okay, and just making sure you're not out of reach for them. Um, she looks focused on whatever it is she's looking at. Okay. So, the main person in this photograph, she looks kind of young. She looks confused of what's going on. Like her dented eyebrows and her crossed arms kind of seem to me like she's confused and she's uninterested in what's going on. Um, the person on the left of her definitely looked like a concerned parent. Again, they both look confused, trying to figure out why are you here, what are you doing. Um, she looked like she could be this person's mother or possibly even grandmother, because she kind of looked like she's a child. And the person on the right is nonchalant, just trying to have a conversation. And that is all. Thank you.